Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Wholesome. This is a channel where we discuss all things that teaches about money skills. In today's video, I'm replying to Bumi's comment as she requested me to show the products I use to wax at home and also the method. So I've decided to do two videos, this being part one of the video where I'll be sharing the products I use as well as the prices, and then part two of the video I'll be showing you the procedure. Shout out to Bumi for always engaging with my content. I appreciate you so much. So as you've noticed, this is a voiceover. I don't know what happened to the video, but when I was about to edit, it had no sound. So I apologize for that. Let's start the video. Number one, we have wax palettes. They are used to make the wax liquid you use to remove your hair. You heat the wax palettes using the wax pot. So I've run out of wax palettes, but you'll see them on part two of the video. And then number two is the spray bottle where I put water to disinfect. So here, before you wax, you need to wash your armpits with soap and cloth to remove the deodorant so that the wax will be able to stick. This is a pre and post disinfectant. So before you put wax, you need to disinfect the area, and after you are done waxing, you also need to disinfect the area before putting the post wax oil. And then baby oil, I use this as a post wax oil. So after you're done waxing, you disinfect the area, then apply the baby oil or the post wax oil. So you can Google any post wax oil and then buy any of your choice. I use baby oil because I've been using it and it's good for my skin. And then we move to baby powder. So the powder is to prevent the wax from sticking to your skin and to reduce the pain, but it also dries up the area if you happen to be sweaty. And then we go to cotton wood pads. They are used to clean the area with. As I'm showing you on the screen, this is how you use them. So this is what they look like. You use them to apply. Then we go to the wooden wax spatula. This is used to apply wax effortlessly. So we go to sterile hand gloves. So before you do anything, you need to wear these gloves if maybe you are going to be waxing someone else, but in my case I'm waxing myself, so I don't see the need. So the sterile hand gloves are used where there could be contact between the client's skin and yours, because when waxing there's potential for your pores to bleed. So yeah, even if I bleed, I know that I'm bleeding on myself. And then we have the wax warmer or the wax pot. This is used to conveniently melt the wax quickly and easy. So as you can see, it comes with the lid, the pot where you put the pallets in, and then the warmer itself. And then you have the instructions. And then there's this metal thingy that I don't know what is used for, but it's there. So yeah, that's about it. So here I was just showing you what happens. You take your pot, you put your wax, you use all the other products that I told you, but we're gonna cover that in part two. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insightful financial content. Thank you for allowing me in your space and lending me your ear. Always remember that I love you. Have a lovely, productive day. See you on my next video where I am going to be showing you what to do when you are waxing yourself at home. Bye.